So hello guys, how are you? I hope you are good. So we are back with a new editorial, and this editorial is from Codeforces round 697 tip 3, ready for tip 3, but it was not rated. It wasn't rated after some time because there was some queue problem in Codeforces server. I didn't know, but it became unrated because the queue was taking a bit more time. So let's move on to the problem. We are discussing problem E. Name is advertising agency. So let's discuss the problem statement, what the problem statement is telling us. The problem statement says us that we are given an array consisting of n integers and we can select at most k integers. Okay, we can select k integers and we need to find okay, so we need to select maximum k integers. Okay, so suppose this is an array 1 3 1 2, so we need to find we can select this, the n here is 4, and we can find only we can select only 3 integers. Okay, so and we need to select 3 integers such that their sum is maximum. So this logic is pretty simple, that we will select the maximum 3 elements. Okay, when the largest 3 elements we will select. Okay, and the largest 3 elements is 3 2 and 1. Okay, so we will select all of them, all 3 of them, and we need to find the number of ways in which we can select them. For instance, let me show you. Here is 2 1s and 1 2 and 1 3. So we can select there are 2 ways to select them. We can select this one, then 3, then 2, and this one, then 3 and then 2. Both are same, so there are 2 ways. Similarly, we need to find the number of ways that we can find the maximum sum. So let me show you, and we need to find that could be quite large, so we need to mod it by 2 raised to power 9 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. So let me show you that. Should I show you the code or the logic? Okay, I will tell you the logic during the code only. Okay, so wait 1 second. Yeah, so let me show you my logic here. Okay, so let me minimize it. Yeah, so for example, suppose our array is like there are 6 elements and we can select only 4 of them. Okay, and the array is 1 1 1 1 and then 2 2 and 2. Okay, so we need to find the number of maximum number of ways that we can select. So what we will do here is we will reverse it. Okay, so that we can select the maximum element, so that we can select only 4 elements. So for first 4 elements sum will be our means maximum sum that we need to find. Okay, so first 4 elements sum is equals to 6 basically, but we need to find we don't need to find 6. We need to find the number of ways that we can make their sum 6. So what we can do here is we can there are so we can see clearly, we can see here is that the maximum element. Okay, this there are only 2 elements in the set. Okay, there are 2 distinct elements in the set which are 1 and 2. Okay, and we need to check the last element that we will select. So the 4th element we will select from here according to us, because we need to select 4 elements. So 4th element will be equals to 1. So 1 is our last element and we will select our last element as 1. Then we will find the number of permutations that we can make of 1, because these two 2's we will select always. We need to select them, but we can switch these 4 ones. First we can select first one, then second one, and in other chance we can select first one and third one. So like this we need to find the number of ways that we can select the number of ones. So in this case I need to choose the how many ones I need to choose. Total elements are 4. Okay, and there are two twos, so 4 minus 2 will be 2. So two ones I need to choose from here. Okay, so we can see from here also these 4 elements we will choose, and out of these 4, these 2 are the twos, these 2 are the ones. Okay, so what we will do here is we will count the number of ones we need to choose, and then we'll count the number of total number of ones there are, and we will count the combinations. Okay, through NCR formula we will count the number of combinations that we can make out of them. Okay, here our n will be equals to the number of the ones, r will be equals to the number of the ones that we are selecting. In this case it was 2, and we need to find them, and we will print the NCR of that formula. So this much is the logic. If you don't get, please remind the video. Okay, remind it, you will get it. And if you didn't get still, you might get it through code. So here is my code, guys. I will input two integers n and k, then I will input an array a, then I will reverse sort it, and then reverse it, means reverse sort it. Then I will take an integer int big, which will be equals to the number of the last number of the array that we will select. In that case it was 1, and the total b, which will be equals to the total count of the numbers that total count of the ones that we will select. In that case it was 2, and the first big means the twos that will be there. Okay, so we will run a loop, and then we will count the total b's, means the number of ones that we are that are there in the array, and then we will check the number of total number of twos that we are selecting, or the numbers which are greater than the 1. Okay, then we will then count e will be the number of ones that are not selected. Like how I can say that, yeah, so there were 4 ones, out of them we selected 2. Okay, like in here the total is 4, total b is 4, and the count e is equals to 2. Okay, then we will calculate the NCR of total b, means the total ones and the ones that we have to select, which is count e. So this much is the logic and the code for this problem, and I will link the code. I will link this code. I will link the code in the description. Code link in the description basically, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. Please, yeah, please, guys. I didn't get subscriber. Please, to motivate me, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Meet you next time. Till then, bye bye.